Picture this. You're sleeping, probably drooling on the pillow, dreaming about a beach vacation you still haven't booked yet. Meanwhile, an AI that you set up weeks ago is out here grinding, writing, publishing, selling, recommending, even sending emails for you while you're in REM sleep, REM. And no, I'm not exaggerating. This is the real lazy money game in 2025. But here's the truth. Most people are blowing it. They're using AI to write school essays, maybe to ask a dumb riddle or quiz or crank out a motivational quote graphic. Meanwhile, the people who actually get the AI thing that's going on, they're building quiet little systems that spit out money like a broken ATM. So today, I'm pulling back the rug, and I want to call this the 5 laziest way to make money with AI. Some of these are so simple, it's almost embarrassing how much people are sleeping on these. Stay until the end because hack number 4 is the YouTube monetization shortcut most creators aren't even talking about or even know exists. And it's exactly how I bypassed Google AdSense. Let's call out the elephant in the room. 99% of those AI side hustle gurus on YouTube are recycling the same tired advice. Start a blog, publish ebooks on Kindle, or my favorite, sell resumes written by AI. Cute. But you and I know that's not going to move the needle unless you're grinding for pennies. The real money is on the ground. It's in stacking AI with automation, digital products, and platforms like YouTube. That's what separates the people playing around with ChatGPT from people actually cashing checks. So let's break this down. Hack number 1, multiply digital products with AI. I'll start with one of the easiest, but most overlooked hacks. Multiplying digital products. Here's how lazy this really is. One idea can equal 10 different income streams. Let's say you have a topic like how to travel with just a carry-on. I have a travel channel, so I know about this stuff. If you do it old school, you'd spend weeks writing an ebook, making graphics, formatting, editing, But with AI, you feed it the topic, and within minutes, you've got it. A full-length ebook, a 1-page printable packing checklist, a 10-point quick reference cheat sheet, a script for a YouTube video, a blog post, and even a set of Instagram captions or even Pinterest pins. Should I continue? That's multiple products from one seed idea. Do you get it? I hope you did. Now here's where it gets interesting. You don't have to sell them separately. You can bundle them. You can offer the checklist as a freebie to grow your email list. Then you can upsell the ebook. You can turn the script into a Faceless video and drive people to your Bumroad shop. You see where I'm going with this? I know creators who are quietly pulling $500 to $2,000 a month just from repackaging AI content just like this. No huge audience, no fancy funnels, just smart product stacking. That's the kind of lazy income nobody's talking about. Let's go to hack number 2, Faceless AI content that sells. Now let's move into one of my favorites, faceless content. You don't have to be on camera to cash in. In fact, some of the most profitable channels on YouTube right now, faceless channels. I have a faceless channel. Here's how it works. AI writes the script. An AI voice tool reads it. You drop in stock footage or AI-generated visuals. In an afternoon, you've got 10 shorts lined up and ready to publish. Now, here's where most people mess up. They think that Google AdSense is the goal. But AdSense on shorts, that's pocket change. The real play is adding affiliate links or digital product links under every single video. You build 10 videos, 10 short videos, each one pointing to the same affiliate product. That's 10 little soldiers working for you 24/7. I know a guy, tiny channel, under 5,000 subs, making $3,000 a month because his AI faceless content pushes one affiliate product consistently using YouTube Shorts. AdSense didn't do that. The links did. Though the affiliate links did. And this is exactly where AI and YouTube becomes a gold mine. Excuse me. Hack number 3. AI drop servicing. All right. Let's get a little sneaky. Drop servicing. This is where you set a service, but you don't do the work. AI or outsourcing does it for you. Here's an example. Video script writing. On Fiverr, people charge $50, $100, or even $200 for a single YouTube script. You take an order, you throw the topic into AI, you polish it up, with your own spin, and you deliver it to the customer. Congratulations, you just pocketed 90% profit margins without typing paragraphs by hand. This isn't hypothetical. I know people who are scaling this exact model. Some start with script writing, then expand into thumbnail design with AI tools, or even content repurposing. And the clients, they don't care how it's made. They really don't. They just want results. That's the beauty of job servicing in 2025. AI doesn't get tired. AI doesn't raise its rates. And you're just the middle person collecting the money. Lazy? Absolutely. But it works. Hack number 4. The YouTube monetization shortcut. Now, this is one that makes creators lean in. Most people think YouTube equals Google AdSense. They grind their way to 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. I did. So I'm guilty of that. And then they celebrate. Only to realize that they're earning $2 a day. Well, here's the truth. You don't need Google AdSense to monetize YouTube. That's the slow lane. You can do it, but it's slow. The fast lane is AI-powered YouTube monetization. Think about it. AI can batch scripts. AI can generate thumbnails. AI can even outline a content calendar so you never run out of video ideas. You set up a Faceless or hybrid channel. You publish consistently, and instead of waiting for AdSense, you attach monetization from day one. Affiliate products, digital downloads, your own services. It's instant. It's instant. And let me be crystal clear here. This is exactly why I created my ebook bundle, 40 plus epic ways to monetize your YouTube channel without Google AdSense. Inside of my book bundle, I show you step-by-step strategies that creators are using right now to make serious money, with or without the partner program. If you're tired of waiting for pennies, the bundle is linked in the description below. Excuse me. That's the shortcut. That's the underground hack. And that's the piece no guru is telling me. Hack number 5, AI affiliate marketing machines. This one is the last one. But it's one of the laziest but most effective money plays with AI. Affiliate marketing machines. We're not going to do affiliate marketing like we did before. Here's how it works. You create a tiny ecosystem of AI-driven content. Maybe it's a blog with AI-written articles. Maybe it's a channel with Faceless AI videos. Each piece of content pushes one or two of your affiliate products. Now, here's where AI takes it up a level, takes it up a notch. You don't just stop at creating content. You use AI to identify trending keywords, spin out dozens of content variations, and even automate your email promotions. What used to take a small team to do that? Now it's just you and a laptop, and your AI assistant, I should say. And when all those little pieces of content are working in the background, your affiliate commissions become as close to set it and forget it as it ever gets. So let's tie this all together now. The laziest way to make money with AI isn't about working harder. It's about setting up smart systems and strategies. Digital products that multiply themselves, Faceless content that sells for you, drop servicing that lets you collect cash without lifting a finger, YouTube that pays you even without Google AdSense, and affiliate marketing machines that churn while you sleep. That's not hype. That's real. And if you want to take this even deeper, especially on the YouTube side, grab my ebook bundle, 40 plus epic ways to monetize YouTube channel without AdSense. It's packed with strategies you won't find on YouTube. I guarantee you. The link is in the description. Trust me, you'll thank me later for this one. So tell me, what's the laziest AI money hack that you've tried? Drop it in the comment section. I would love to hear it. And if this video gave you value, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. Because in a couple days, I'm going to drop a full breakdown of AI side hustles. You can start with $0 today. Yes, today. That's one you don't want to miss. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. Go make some money outside of Google AdSense. Don't let Google AdSense hold you hostage. Thanks for watching.